All right, we're doing this project today. These soffits are rotted out. Here's the main culprit. There's a hole in the soffit. We actually cut a piece off there to get a paint match. We're gonna be cutting down the gutter, and our gutter guys are coming behind us, and they're gonna redo all the gutters on the whole house because they're massive runs with insufficient downspouts. So we'll be redoing, you can see the gutters are damaged and stuff like that. So we'll be redoing all the gutters, but this section has rotten fascia. So we're gonna take down these fascias. We got pre-primed pine fascia, and we're gonna be putting that up there, pre-primed and then painted. So we got a paint match to, it's a basic match. There's a little difference between any new paint versus old weathered paint. Always looks a little different, but it's gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna do that today. All right, a while ago I did a video on T-drip overlapping the gutter, and you can see it happening here. It's okay actually, but if you look over here, it does not overlap the gutter. It comes, water gets behind the gutter, and as a result, the fascia is rotting out. And bugs go there. If the wood gets wet, bugs are like, ooh, what a beautiful home. So these areas, the drip edge does overlap the fascia or the gutter, and you don't have that issue. So, but the kicker is because it got wet there, it kind of spreads. So we're gonna be replacing all this fascia as a result, and replacing the gutters. We got the first piece of fascia off. There's some venting, which is what you want. You want venting. You actually want a whole lot more venting than this. So they did add vents down here at the gables, which is a really good idea. It's a nice big old vent. You want maximum air intake into the attic for a healthy attic. But we got it in time. The decking is not bad. There's evidence of water over here, but it's not rotted out, which is a good sign. So I don't think there's any ice and water shield on this roof. So that's a problem. There will, if there's any ice damming, that will result in rotted out decking. But for the time being, we can put in this fascia. It'll be nice and clean. We'll get that gutter put properly underlapped under here. Get that water running downhill. Keep the bugs out. So here's the contrast of the new and the old. One of the faults too is the top wasn't painted at all. So if water got behind the gutter, it had nothing to hold it back. Where this is primed and painted with multiple coats. So it's ready to handle moisture. All right, so we just cut the other piece of fascia for up on the house. And what we did is the cut side, we primed it. Boom. Fill a little bit of primer on there. So the cut ends, the butt ends, don't have any exposed wood, and therefore don't get a chance to rot. All right, got it all wrapped up. New fascia on there. Got some caulked the nail holes, caulked underneath where the fascia meets the soffits there. Smeared that in there. Well, it's actually a decent bead, but we smoothed it out. And then we'll throw some paint match on there, make it look nice. So weather tight, that's what you want. All right, got it all buttoned up. Got a paint match on where the nails were. You can't see it anymore, so that's cool. Underneath where we caulked, we also painted that. So it matches, it's what you want. And now we're gonna tear off all the gutters on the rest of the house and put new gutters on the whole thing. So this will look real beautiful.